Welcome to your BlueSpace Trade account. I'm Jacinta, Head of Sales, and today I want to walk you through a few key things you should know about using your trade account with us. First things first, let's look at how to log in and place an order. Once you're in, you can easily browse our extensive range of leading brand products, check availability and manage your orders. To see the stock levels in your state, add your postcode and press Calculate Shipping. This will show you the stock status in your local warehouse, shipping time and costs. You'll come across different stock statuses like in stock, stocked by supplier, made to order and pre-order. In stock means the product is ready to ship direct from our warehouses. Stocked by supplier means we can source it from our range of leading brand suppliers. Made to order means we need to place the order with our supplier and have the product custom made. Pre-order is for upcoming products that you can secure in advance. Once your order is dispatched, you'll receive SMS tracking updates, and depending on the items, they may arrive in multiple shipments for faster delivery. Don't forget to check out our exclusive in-house brands and tile ranges, perfect for your clients' projects. As a trade account holder, you'll also get access to a complimentary sample box. We look forward to working with you on your upcoming projects. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to our sales team at any time.